Hello. Hi, yes. Hello, everyone. Sam is here from myforestmagicweb.com. I'm making this quick video for John. Uh, um, John, this is a video for you. Seems like you're having problem with the charts, right? The history I'm talking about, the back history of these back candles. Your chart is you don't have enough data, right? So for that, what you need to do is when you open the chart, right? You have the chart and everything. That and I'll go on a 5 minute chart, and always use 5 minute chart. Don't use 1 minute chart anymore. Okay, 5 minute. Open 5 minutes for indexes, or I'm talking about the feeder chart, right? 5 minute chart, and then what you do is you go here, okay, this button here, right? And not this. This is not this, man. Oh, sorry. Yeah, here too. So I'm confused here. All right, that in here you see this history center. Okay, click that. Then this window is gonna come out. Excuse me. All right. So when this window comes out, and whatever pair you're working on, for example, you send me the chart for like CAD yen, right? So you look CAD yen here. These are the pairs, right? So you find the CAD yen. Let's find the CAD yen first. This is USD yen. This is okay. These are major. Close that, man. All right. So now see forex the crosses, right? The crosses. You go there and then you find CAD yen. Where is CAD yen? Right there, right? Double click on it. See, these are time frames. M1, M5, this, that, M5, right? So M5. Click twice. You see all those candles came out. Right now you download this, okay, and you will have a window open up. Come on here, and then just press OK. Now it's gonna start downloading the history. I already have it, but it's still probably more candles coming in, right? So it's downloading now. You see that? So after that, you get all this chart and all this big, all the candles and everything. And then when you get all the chart, you have a data, and then the moving average will be showing up. Because if you don't have data, they're not going to show up. They're going to do the average for what? They need the candles, right? So this is why your chart looks like, there's no candles there, and then no moving averages, because you don't have enough data. So this is how you download the data. I'm going to let it run. Because it seems like that I need to more. Time to time you can do in all pairs and all indexes. Just keep downloading the data so that you can have more candles on the chart. You can go back as far as that. Let me see if I can. It's doing right now. But so far you can see that I'm back to like August 2018 already. I'll probably be able to go back more. And this is a 40-minute chart. Your 40-minute chart is just from here to here, because there's no history. Okay, you got it? So I'm going to close it. You see this is downloading, and once it's downloaded, your button will change to close. So just close the window, and you will see that you get all the data, and your chart gonna look like mine. Okay, so do that, and then come back to me and show me the chart. Okay, all right. Bye for now, and everyone else. If you guys have the same problem, do this, please. It's very important. Otherwise, 40-minute chart's not gonna show any data. Okay, and also remember, I'm having problem, and a lot of other people having problem, even the downloading the data for yen index. Okay, so if you don't have yen index enough data, even after downloading, you're not getting enough candles, please send me an email at myforestmagicweb.com. So what I will do is I will give you my history files. I have saved them, right? So I'll give you my history files, and I'll make a small video on how to save those files into the history file, and I'll send out. If you know it already, that's fine. So you add those history files into that folder, proper folder, and you will have enough data in whatever I have, at least. Okay, and which is enough. I'm not using 40-minute chart for yen index. I'm using 20-minute chart and 7-minute chart. So it's enough, and it's very good, and that's the one actually working for yen index. Okay, so bye for now. See, it's finished the download, right? So I close it, and then that's it. That's how I have the weekly chart, the monthly chart, all the. I can go back as far as here 2007. So you see, this is how you get the data. the downloading the history means getting those back data. Okay, all right, John. So do that, and then let me know what happens. Okay, all right. Bye for now.